guys, welcome sa ating chill kwentuhan. Ako nga pala si Precious Julian Gonzalez and today gusto ko lang ikwento yung life ko. Simple, minsan roller coaster, pero very real. So let's start sa simula. I was born on September 29 at exactly 6 a.m. in the morning. Sakto, early bird ako agad sa mundo. Lumaki ako mostly with my grandparents kasi si dad at si mom super busy sa work. Pero kahit kailan, naramdam ko naman yung love nila. Lalo na kay lolo at lola. When I was 4 years old, naghiwalay si dad at si mom. That was tough. Pero after that, I start living with my mom. Sa umpisa, hindi madali, pero eventually nakayanan ko rin. I studied first dito sa Nueva Ecija, Cabanatuan, from daycare hanggang grade 2. Then mom met some new guy, a guy from Manila. Naging sila and eventually we moved to Manila para makapag-aral din ako doon tsaka maka-stay kami. 1 year ako nag-aral sa Manila. Okay lang, hindi best, hindi worst. Alam niyo yung feeling na kaya naman pero iba pa rin yung nakasanayan. Ganun. Then came one of the biggest blessings in my life. Si Jillian, my younger sister. For me, she was the best gift kasi she brought so much joy sa family namin. Instant playmate, instant happiness. After that, bumalik kami sa Cabanatuan at doon na talaga ako nag-stay for the next 8 years. Diyan ako nag-graduate ng junior high sa Camtino National High School. And now currently, I'm a grade 11 senior high student still in Camtino. Nakakatawa kasi parang full circle. Pero mas iba na ngayon kasi mas may friends, mas may experience, mas may kwento. Pero may part ng life ko na mas mahirap ikwento. Me and my dad, we aren't really that close now, lalo na nung nag-separate sila ni mom. Tas nagkasakit pa siya, he had a mild stroke. It was really a hard step for me. Kasi alam nyo, I was once a daddy's girl. Lagi kay dad ako kumakapit noon. Pero after everything, parang nagkaroon ng distance. At hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano ibabalik ang closeness namin. Pero kahit ganun, I still love him. And I really wish na someday we'll find our way back to that father and daughter closeness again. Life's short, and I know deep inside Dad will always be part of me. Si Mom naman, she's one of the strongest inspirations sa lahat ng pinagdaanan namin. I saw how strong she was, and honestly, malaking reason din yun kung bakit gusto ko magsikap. Now, let's go back sa good side of my story. Like my favorite hobbies, sports, music taste, and more. I personally like doing stuffs. I love watching movies, reading novels and articles. I also like doing crafts. Regarding naman sa sports, I like playing badminton and I also like swimming. When it comes to music taste, I have tons of artists that I adore, but I especially love Daniel Caesar, Frank Ocean, SZA, Leve, and Bea Badubi. When weekend naman, pumupunta ako sa bahay ng grandparents ko para matulog doon and magstay doon sa weekend. I want their closure and I want to build more memories with them. Pagdating naman sa mga bagay, I personally like the color pink. I also like doing crafts like DIY stuffs na nilalagay ko minsan sa kwarto ko. When it comes to love language naman, I have 3. I love physical touch, quality time, and words of affirmation. I don't like receiving gifts, like expensive one. I would prefer a written note, a written letter that is very genuine. Ngayon, let's go back to my life. Ito yung mga negative side ko naman. I go silent when my social battery is low na. Tapos, I don't talk to someone when they did something wrong. Well, I think that's fine kasi normal lang naman talaga na hindi mo kausapin yung isang tao pag may ginagawa sila sa'yo. I'm a very talkative person and ayoko din nang sinashut up ako. Ayoko din nang tiniturn down ako pag nagsasalita ako. Pero may pros naman yun. I would know how to say things properly and I would know how to comfort someone. Mahilig akong gumawa ng mga PowerPoint presentations and mag-report. It feels like pinapakinggan nila ako lahat. I think that concludes my podcast. I hope you enjoy and learned a lot. And I hope you guys stay strong. Always pray and always think positive. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.